All right guys, so we're gonna do a burst fade on this curly hair. This is a C-cup area right here. We're gonna start it at the middle right here. So the sideburn area is right here. We're gonna split this in half. That's our first reference point right there. And at the top of the ear right here, I'm gonna curve it and connect it. Probably like the middle point of his ear, from right here to right here. I'm gonna remove the bulk now. Pull his ear back like this. Then move it using my middle finger to maneuver his ear so my trimmer can remove the bulk. Just to keep my work organized, I'm gonna go ahead and line up his C-cup area right here, starting at the top. Then connecting it at the bottom. And then meeting it in the center. I'm just gonna finish lining up the back. We're gonna round it, just so everything's nice and clean before we go in and start blending. Now, with the 1.5 guard, I'm gonna close the lever. We're gonna go about 2 fingers and create the base of our burst fade. I'm gently scooping up, grazing the hair up. Now with a 3 guard, we're gonna go the same distance. I'm gonna start scooping out, gently scooping out. Open it a tiny bit. We have the 1.5 right here, the 3 here, and now we're gonna try to keep everything as dark as possible. I'm gonna go in with my thinning shears now to blend that 3 into the bulk on top. Just gently gliding. These are some FadedCulture shears. If you guys do get some, you guys can use my code David10 and get 10% off. Gets a little trickier here towards the back. You guys have to kind of angle the comb and then pull the hair up like this, and just be very gentle with the amount of pinches. You guys want to just maintain consistency. Now I'm gonna attach my 0.5 guard. We're gonna go a finger above this line right here. You guys can see we have almost our whole foundation already set. So my client real quick and start just gently just flicking up right here. Going about a finger, pulling the ear back. Now we're gonna erase this line really quick. Going from the middle lever position, I'm just gonna focus on blending from here to here, hitting the midway point of that line. We don't wanna go any higher. Using this right corner, closing it a little bit, going a little bit lower in the line now. And close it. It gets a little trickier once you work around the ear, so you have to make sure you use the corners of your blade. and you don't push the line any higher. That's why I like starting in the middle. Sometimes people like starting with it closed, but when it comes to shorter, tighter areas, I resort to going middle and usually blending from the top down, kind of like I did today. So you guys have to attack every haircut a little differently. Attaching my 0.5 guard again, going open. We're gonna go a tiny bit on top of that 0.5 closed, kind of just using my eyes and feathering up a little bit. You guys will see it come to life right now. And once I work that lever open, I'm gonna start slowly closing it little by little. I'm gonna put it 3/4 now. And to double check our work now, let's attach the 0.5 guard again. We're gonna open it now and do the same thing that we did with the 0.5 guard. We're attacking that 1.5 closed and slowly closing it. We're not using the 1 or the 2 guard. Lever's in the middle now. And you guys can follow this system, but also this is just called lever play. You guys have to see what's cutting and what's not cutting and kind of gauge it based off of dark spots. Any dark spot, if it's higher, open the lever. If it's lower, close the lever a little bit more. So we're just gonna point cut. For a little bit of shine, I'm gonna throw some sea salt spray.